Anybody who's involved in the cryptocurrency market, or in fact, anybody who is a regular reader of the news is aware that cryptocurrencies have massively increased in value over the last few years. Except in very rare cases, the banks are just not treating cryptocurrencies really as either a currency or as an asset. They actually don't like it. It's disruptive, it's change, it's a challenger. So cryptocurrencies are very deliberately challenging the banking sector.
So why are we doing this? If you're a business and you walk into a bank, the first thing they're going to ask you is, what assets do you have? And you're going to tell them, I have $1 million in crypto assets. They're not going to recognize you as a customer because you have nothing that they value. And this is where the ridiculous comes, because you have your crypto assets and they're valued at a lot of money, and they just don't accept that, and there's nothing you can do about it. You can yell at them, you can laugh at them, but they don't care. With the invention of blockchain, the beautiful thing about that is that now you can have a commodity that is easy to value at any time. I've been in fintech for 20 years and I've watched technologies come and go. Blockchain is huge, it's revolutionary, it's going to change many industries and already is. So we thought about this and we thought this is the way to go. This is the way to make loans easy. We don't care which country, which area, which group, which demographic you're coming from. We can lend money just based on the guaranteed collateral. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. It is not something that's currently available in the market right now.
So what problem does MoneyToken solve? People don't like to spend Bitcoin, because if you spend Bitcoin, you're actually losing your investment.
So MoneyToken is a concept around the fact that we want to be able to allow people who own cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin to actually use those assets as value, as leverage against taking out loans, where they can then use that money but hold on to their assets in the long term.
So how it actually works, you just come to a platform, choose the loan terms, deposit collateral, and get your loan. So you spend it, investing, doing something. At the end of the loan term, you're repaying your loan and getting the whole collateral back. It doesn't matter, if your collateral in Bitcoin went from $5,000 to $15,000. That's okay, you will get the whole collateral back. And just because the loan is secured by the collateral, we don't need to make any credit checks. So the whole process takes just a couple minutes.
The fact that our platform doesn't use any kind of credit scoring checks is actually a really important feature, because particularly in the UK and the US, the whole credit scoring and credit checking ecosystem, as it were, has grown out of all proportion. The cryptocurrency assets are very unique. They're very easy to hold, they're inexpensive to transfer, and they're easy to liquidate. So we see them as a fantastic asset to base lending on. So what we're doing at MoneyToken isn't just creating a loan platform. We're creating a worldwide, borderless, blockchain-based financial services ecosystem.
We basically let you have a margin, just like any equity firm would. We don't care. It's your money, you do what you want with it. But now you can diversify your portfolio however you choose. And we think it's really valuable in the marketplace right now.
We are not a lender. We're not either a crypto or a traditional organization that is lending money. What we're doing is creating a platform to enable those people who've invested in their assets and their cryptocurrency assets to utilize those assets productively without losing them.
Our team have been buying, holding, and investing in cryptocurrencies for the last 5 years. We have a lot of friends involved in mining, cryptocurrency exchange, trading. We understand more than anyone the need to create a platform like MoneyToken.
This is really, really exciting. We think this is going to be a great product. We think this is really, really important to the entire crypto community right now, because this allows you to do things you couldn't do before.
So the whole concept of blockchain, the fact that you've got a distributed ledger effectively that holds securely all of that value is very disruptive. Our platform should be the same. It should be part of that disruptiveness. And so this is about creating a new kind of lending that's based on a new kind of asset.